It's ice cream time, and not just any ice cream, it is Kinder ice cream time. This is incredibly easy to make. It's literally just double cream, condensed milk, and the Kinder stuff, and that's it. We are going to, if I can get this open, pour our double cream in a bowl. And it's best if this is cold straight out of the fridge, followed by our condensed milk. And as always, I will leave the quantities in the description box. And then we're going to whisk this together until it has thickened, increased in volume, and it's a bit stiffer as well. I will show you what it looks like once it's done. So we're not looking for it to be stiff peaks or anything, but we do just want it to be able to hold its shape properly. It takes roughly 5 minutes, but it really varies on the temperature of your cream, the temperature of your room as well. Now the next thing is the Kinder element. So I've got loads of Kinder Bueno bars chopped up, but I used to get this white chocolate hazelnut cream from Morrison's that literally tasted exactly like the inside of a Kinder Bueno. And I haven't been able to get it for ages, but it's still on the website, so I don't know if it's been discontinued or not. If you know what I'm on about, please let me know, because I just can't find it anywhere. This is trending all over TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, everything, which is the M&S hazelnut cream. It's not white chocolate hazelnut, but it is still hazelnut, and therefore it's going to taste like the inside of a Kinder Bueno. It is very expensive. It was £4.75 in my local M&S, and it's a lot smaller than the jar that you get from Morrison's. So I can't say it's great value for money, but it's the best alternative if you don't want to make your own, which I don't. I grab my bowl back and then put a big old scoop in here. Another one, and let's say one more. So this is going to change the texture of your ice cream a little bit because we're adding a lot of fat to it. So don't be alarmed if your ice cream mixture kind of thins out a little bit. And we're just going to mix this until it has come together. Here I have lots of Kinder Bueno chopped up, and I'm going to add again about half of this in. We are going full on with the Kinder. You got to, right? If you're going to make Kinder ice cream, it's got to be full of Kinder stuff. And again, we're just going to fold this through. So in terms of containers to put this in, I am using this glass loaf tin. If you do use a glass container, just make sure that it's suitable for the freezer, because we don't want it smashing on us. That would be a disaster for ice cream. And we're basically going to layer this up a bit like a lasagna because we want every single bite to have loads of different Kinder flavors in. I hate it when you get an ice cream where the top of it has like all the toppings on, and then you get past the top and that's it. All the flavors have gone. So we are loading this one up. You can melt this if you want to at this stage, just to make it a bit easier to drizzle on. But I'm literally just going to do little dollops. You just can't be afraid to get messy when it comes to baking, I think. It's just going to swirl that in, and then add some of our chopped up Kinder in between the layer, and then we just repeat the process. Bit of our Kinder spread, swirl it round. More of our Kinder Bueno, and you can use any Kinder. You can use those little chocolate bars, they would be great. You could even melt them if you wanted to. This is filled right to the brim. Whole jar of hazelnut cream. This is not meant to be healthy, obviously. Okay, so we're just going to scrape it from the sides and finish it off with a nice swirl. And then our final Kinder, like so. So this is going to need to freeze for at least 4 hours. I tend to leave it overnight, to be honest. So we will let it set and then we can taste test it. Okay, the ice cream is set and ready to eat, and it's already decorated, so we don't have to decorate it. We can just eat it, and I'm so excited for this taste test. I'm not even going to scoop it up. I'm just going to go in with my spoon because why not? Go for a second bite, why not? It is so creamy. You get the hazelnut start to come through. The wafers on the top have kept a slight crunch, so you get that crunchiness with the creaminess. It is delicious. I really hope you've enjoyed this recipe. If you want more ice cream recipes, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week for another one. Thanks for watching, bye!